As an independent designer, I have always been proud of myself. Because of my design makes the world more beautiful. Whenever I feel tired at work, I always choose the world-renowned bustling streets on iATHUB to up the people's behavior and clothing, which often brings me inspiration. I will also select digital equipment that can be retained remotely on a time-sharing basis on the iATHUB, and directly complete the production of each well-designed product. I know that time is the core of fashion, and efficiency and speed determine the success of business. On the iATHUB, I can also use remote cameras to select the models of different races and cultures to shoot promotional samples for my products. Thanks for iATHUB. Let my design become the productivity of the world.